Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Meeks here. How are you doing? I hope you're having a good day. I'm so excited for today's unboxing because the hunt is over, guys. Here in my hand I have the Look Fantastic 2021 Easter Beauty Egg. I know so many people have been anticipating the launch, so many have pre-ordered already. A lot of people have been asking me if I will be unboxing one of these on my channel, and luckily Look Fantastic have sent me one and I'm so excited. I do know that these have gone on general sale already, guys. If you haven't ordered yours, be quick and order. I'll pop a link down below for you to place your order because these fly off the shelf like crazy. I think Look Fantastic have been doing these for at least 5 years and they are always a sellout. So get yours quick before you're disappointed. The contents inside is worth over £220 and it retails for only £65. So if that is not a bargain, I do not know what is, especially when you see what's inside here. I know 2 of the products and they are by 2 of my favorite brands, so I am so happy and can't wait to crack this open and show you guys. If you are a Beauty Box subscriber, you can get £10 off the RRP price. That takes it down to £55. I will pop the code on the screen and in the description box for you to claim your £10 off. If you are not yet a Beauty Box subscriber and would like £10 off your egg, simply add the egg into your basket along with a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription plan to the Look Fantastic Beauty Box and use the code that I will put on my screen and down in the description box to also claim your discount. But without further ado, let's crack open this luxurious box and see what is inside here. Can I just say though, before I do, let's just take a moment to appreciate this packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the pink. This is actually my favorite color, my favorite shade of pink, and the gold trimming is just so beautiful. Let's open this up. I'm so excited, guys. I've never had a Look Fantastic Beauty Egg before. I heard so much about them. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Okay, so, let's see if I can... Isn't that egg stunning? I just love the marble. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Oh, it's got the tissue. This is so pretty. Let me get it out, let me get it out. Don't want to drop it. No, wow, isn't that beautiful, guys? Absolutely stunning. Put the box down. Let's crack this open. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so in the box we have a card. I guess this has all the product info inside and it says luxury like no other. And the first product that we have, guys, this is my favorite brand. My favorite brand. If you know me, you've seen previous videos of mine, you will know I love a bit of EVE LOM. And this is the EVE LOM Gel Balm Cleanser. And this is 100 ml, so full-size product. And it says, this hybrid gel to balm formula gently yet effectively cleanses your skin of all dirt, makeup and impurities. Massaged onto wet skin, its soothing formula, which is EVE LOM's signature blend of clove, eucalyptus and chamomile oil, will leave you with a clean complexion that hasn't been stripped of essential moisture. Guys, when they say effectively cleanses your skin, they are not playing. I use the balm cleanser to remove my makeup. You may have seen in my nighttime routine video. That cleanser, to me, there's no better cleanser than that cleanser. I can see why Vogue named it the #1 cleanser in the world. So if this is anything like that cleanser, I'm very, very excited. I've been wanting to try more of their products, but they're a bit pricey. So I'm so happy that this is in there. Let me just check what this is worth. Let me have a look. This is worth £45. So that's nearly the whole value of this egg with just this one product. And this gel cleanser, maybe it's just like a quicker version of the balm, because the balm, as much as I love it, it is a timely process. I will try this out tonight and remove this makeup. I might even do a video on gel balm cleanser vs balm cleanser, which is better. Thank you, Look Fantastic. So happy that's in there. Let's move on to our next product. Next, we have the Color Wow Kale Infused Dream Cocktail, and this is 200 ml. And it says this potent leave-in treatment turns your blow dry into a strength training session, fortifying and improving hair's elasticity for 50% less breakage. Infusing strands with powerful, nourishing, strengthening ingredients like sulfur-rich sea kale, which helps fortify hair's internal sulfur bonds that can be weakened by stress and color treatments. I'm not gonna lie, that sounded all a bit technical to me, but what I gather it does, it is a treatment that reduces hair breakage. I've had my hair break before, and that is not pretty. I had to do a whole... I had to shave my head. I done a Halle Berry, Britney Spears, whatever you want to call it. No, okay, it wasn't as low as Britney Spears. I did do it in a fashionable short way, but hair breakage is something that, especially women of colour, our hair can break so easily by even things caused by natural environment. So this could be something that's really, really useful. Love the fact that this is full-sized as well. So... great, that's awesome. That's actually amazing. And it does even say at the front, reduces hair breakage by 50%. So that's the USP, the unique selling point of this. And I'm looking forward to trying that, because that's a big, big issue for me, hair breakage. Something that I, even to this day, I'm still scared about. So love that. Product number 3. Here we have a Diego Dalla Palma lipstick in shade 46. I actually found this brand, Diego Dalla Palma. Oh, I like that packaging, black and white. Through my Look Fantastic beauty boxes, they sent us a lip liner from that brand and an eyeliner, and I really, really liked the shade. Let me see what this shade 46 looks like. You know what? It looks really similar to the liner in September's beauty box, and I loved that shade. I'm just going to do a swatch for you. That's a really nice pink shade. Love that. And it's lustrous as well. I'm not the biggest fan of matte lipsticks, so that looks like it's nourishing. That looks like a shade that will go well with my skin tone, so I will definitely be using that happily. Let me see what it says. It says, perfect your pout with this creamy lipstick which boasts high coverage that will last all day. Marine collagen spheres give a plumping effect, whilst vitamin E ensures that your lips feel soft and smooth. This shade is great for everyday wear. Get an intense colour by swiping straight from the bullet or blot on with your finger for something more natural. I've got gloss on, but let me see if it makes any difference. I mean, it did advise us to do this, so... I can see a tinge of pink. No, I like this. This is pretty. I'm all about my pink, nudie shade. No, I really like that. I'm not sure if you guys, if it's picking up on camera, but I can see a difference in my lip gloss now. I love that. And it talk about plumping. Sis has been keeping away from lip fillers lately, so plumping lip glosses, plumping lipstick. Bring it over here. I'm in need. No, I love that. I love that colour. I love the fact that it's nourishing. Let's move on. Number 4. Here we have the Rodeo Dragon's Blood Eye Gel, and this is 50 ml. It comes in the box. Let me take this out. This is what it looks like. And it says, brighten tired eyes with Rodeal's cooling, fast-absorbing gel formula eye cream. Fortified with hyaluronic acid, rose water, and arnica to reduce puffiness for a more refined eye area. Dragon's Blood also protects the delicate area from external aggressors whilst combating dark circles and signs of fatigue. Yes. Yes, 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 and yes again. And I love the Rodeo Dragon's Blood collection. I had a micellar water from them that I also received from Look Fantastic, and really, really enjoyed that. So I'm really looking forward to this Sub-Zero cooling eye gel. That sounds like I just want to put that on my eyes now. I'm tired of waking up with puffiness. So I hope that does what it says on the tin. Our next product, and guys, this is another one that I was excited about. We have an ELEMIS product here, and this is the Pro Collagen Marine Oil, and this is 15 mils. I'm excited already. I love their Pro Collagen range, and it's so pricey. Let me see what that's worth. Let me have a look and see what that is worth. So this is worth £67. So this, along with the EVE LOM, you got your value for money already. Both fantastic brands. They were not playing when they said luxury. Okay, it says a luxuriously rich anti-aging treatment from skincare experts ELEMIS. This facial oil intensely nourishes and moisturizes the skin for an age-defying glow. Derived from ocean-based botanicals and marine biological actives such as PAVONICA, hope I said that right, seaweed and roaring water kelp, these ingredients work together to improve the look and texture of fine lines and wrinkles. Their Pro Collagen range is the bomb. It is the bomb. If I could, I would purchase every single product in that line. So I'm really pleased with this, and I've never tried this one, so I'm so looking forward to adding this to my routine, which already includes some of the Pro Collagen range. So great addition. I love that. And then our last product, here we have the Kerastase Resistant Cement Thermique. Hope I said that right. And it's 20 ml, and it says repair and protect your locks with this Kerastase leave-in treatment made up of the brand's trademark Vita Cement Top Seal that strengthens and rebuilds your hair from the inside out whilst leaving a protective top coat on the outer layers. Okay, so we've got the Dream Cocktail Breakage, and this seems like a similar sort of thing. It says blow dry care for damaged hair. Okay, so maybe they're quite similar, maybe they work in tune with each other. I know they're different brands, but I don't think LOOKFANTASTIC would have put in two of the exact same sort of products. But Kerastase, I know that brand. That's a brand I remember I used to go to the salon with my mother when I was in school, and they used to have Kerastase on all the shelves. You know, the salon have their display of products that they use. So I remember thinking, oh, I'd love to try some of that Kerastase. And I remember I asked my mom, can I get some? And she was like, when you're a bit older, baby, that's for adults. It's a bit too expensive. And we went and bought L'Oreal Kids instead. But yeah, so this has been around for a while, and I know that they are a good brand. So that's another little baby that we're happy to see in there. So yeah, guys, all in all, let me do a product rundown. The EVE LOM, I say no more. My favorite brand, and I can handily on my heart say that, for cleansers, this is my favorite. So I am expecting big things from that. Very impressed that that's in here. Then we have the Dream Cocktail Color Wow. Never used this before, but this brand, LOOKFANTASTIC, are really pushing this brand right now, and I keep seeing this brand everywhere. So I know that this is probably going to be amazing. It says to reduce hair breakage by 50%. Looking forward to seeing how that works. Then we had that gorgeous lipstick from Diego Della Palma. I don't know about you, but this lipstick is definitely a shade that I will definitely wear. So this gets thumbs up from me because I know I'm definitely going to use that. Love the fact that it's got plumping gloss as well. Then we had our Rodial Eye Gel. Sounds amazing. Who doesn't want to relieve the puffiness around their eyes? Say no more. Great product. And then we had the ELEMIS Pro Collagen Marine Oil. This is definitely getting added to my routine, 100%. I already use their Pro Collagen Night Cream as the last step in my nighttime beauty regime. So this will be getting added in, and I know my skin is going to love that. And then lastly, we had the Kerastase hair treatment. This is probably my least favorite out of all of them, but it's still a good brand, and it's a nice touch to our beauty egg. Oh, so that's it, guys. I'm really happy with that. For £65 as well, you're getting all of that. As I said, this is guaranteed to sell out, so make sure you get yours to avoid disappointment. Click that link down below to get your egg. Treat yourself to the luxury you deserve, because this is some good stuff right here. This is some good stuff right here. But let me know, do you agree with me? I think this is a wow egg. Let me know, what did you guys think of the box? Was it yes, or was it just like, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button, give me that thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Thanks so much, guys. Take care. See you next time.